Well, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Since we are going through very tough time due to the indefinite, indefinite affection of pandemic COVID-19, since we are related with the entire education system, so regarding this affection, entire education system has been changed dramatically. All the students they are getting or they are learning the new things through a different mode. So here it's an urge to all the parents of CCLMS Management College to request, to advise to all the students as well. You please come to digital platform. We are started the classes with Zoom. We are giving the materials in Edmodo, audio lecture, video lecture, everything we are sharing in all the social medias, hangouts and all. So our all the faculty members, respective all the teachers, they are working day night to get into this digital system. They are recording their lectures, they are posting their all the materials. So since it will take some time to get back to the normal life, so during this gap, it's if you are wasting your time, then it will be not a good symbol for all of you, since all the students, you people are the future of our country, future of our generation. So it's advisable to not to waste your time during this pandemic. Even again, I'll request to all the guardians, please push your students to continue their learning systems or continuing their study from the digital mode. And definitely we will waiting, or we will see a better future tomorrow. The COVID-19 will go out, the entire medical system, they are working very hard. Hope for the best. We will see a new vaccine very soon. Hope for the best. And once again, please come into digital era of new learning module.